Hey guys, welcome back and happy June. It's Pride Month, the best month. Not only is the weather great, but we get to celebrate LGBTQ louder than we usually do. Anyways, over the past couple months, I haven't done a favorites video, and I've also been doing more fashion videos. So today, not only am I showing you my beauty favorites for the past couple months, but also just a couple of clothing favorites. Honestly, just a couple. But yeah, please try to ignore the fact that you can tell that I'm slouching. Should I sit like this? That's not comfortable for me at all. Do you want me to be uncomfortable? I mean, I can, okay, I guess I'll sit like this. We'll see. We'll see how long I last like this, but I'll start with good posture. Okay, first thing I have to talk about is this Bite Beauty multi-stick in the shade Blondie. It is basically a stick that you can do anything with. You can use it anywhere on your face. You can use it as lipstick, anything. With the color that I chose, I got this solely for the purpose for eyeshadow, and on my lazy days, you'll see in my next video, I use pretty much all cream products because it's easier for me to be able to use my fingers. This product is amazing for that. You just put it on your lid and then blend it out with your fingers. It takes 2 seconds and it looks so good. I've been using this every single time that I do my makeup for like errands or like just life stuff, like regular stuff. This is like my more like glam makeup when I have lashes on. I didn't use it today because I did a Facebook Live with Ipsy, but why is he barking? Hi! Wanna say hi? The beast has awoken. This thing is just so good for a lazy person that, like me, honestly, that just wants to do their makeup in 5 seconds but still have a little bit of something on their eyes. I love this shade. It's perfect. It's a warm shade. I'll swatch it. This is what the shade looks like, and then when I take it and I just blend it into my skin, and it blends out super easily, especially on the eye because the eyelid's a little bit more oily and it doesn't crease throughout the day. So it winds up looking really, really good with just a nice shade. So this is my first favorite and honestly one of my top favorites because I love this thing. So happy I bought it. So happy I found it. Highly recommend. It's revolutionary, honestly. Next product I have is this Becca Hydro Mist Set and Refresh Powder. So this is a setting powder. First of all, it literally feels like you're putting a wet brush on your face, which is like so weird, but also so satisfying. It has like a really weirdly wet feel to it. And because of that, it keeps your skin looking hydrated while also setting the foundation or the concealer so that it doesn't crease. And it just looks healthy. Also, it really brightens up my under eyes. This is a really, really, really good powder. I have tried ones that feel like liquid on your skin, but this one is to a whole new level. Like, it actually feels like you're putting a wet brush on your face. It prevents creasing. It stays good all day. It doesn't break up on my skin. So because of that, I love it. It's actually the powder I have on right now, and it's really, really nice. I only use a tiny little bit on the under eyes because I like the rest of my face to stay really glossy looking for the rest of the day, but on the under eyes, which I think is the toughest area to test a product, is the under eyes. I think that's the easiest place for it to fail, basically. So this passed the under eye test, and because of that, I think it deserves a spot in my favorites. Next product is this Supergoop SPF 50 Everyday Sunscreen. I have had such a hard time finding sunscreen that works on my skin that A, doesn't break me out, B, doesn't look horrible under makeup, and C, doesn't give horrible flashback. Finally found her. She works so well. Don't know why I gendered her. I have tested this outside, which is different for me. It was so rare for me to do outside activities before, but recently I've been riding bikes and just outside all the time, and that's why I broke out this bad boy. It works really, really well, and like I said, I like the way it looks under my foundation. I think that's the major thing that like rings the winner bell for me, is like the fact that I almost like this better than any primer. It's like, it just gives my skin like a nice glow to it that looks so healthy and so good. And because of that, I've been using this every single day, and now I don't have an issue with forgetting to put on sunscreen or not wanting to put on sunscreen. This is the first thing that I grab before primer. Honestly, I haven't even been using primer because I just like the way that this looks under my makeup. So this bad boy is a winner. Okay, so I honestly gave up highlighter, and that's because of this. I've been using this for so long, but this is a new shade for me. This is the Milk Makeup lip and cheek stick. Normally I use the shade Perk, but I recently got the shade Swish, which is like a nice pink shade. I'm wearing it on my cheeks right now, and as you can see, like, it just has like, actually I can't tell if you can see, but in real life at least, it gives like a really nice sheen to your cheeks that I just have never been able to find in any other product. And like I said, because of that, I don't even use highlighter anymore because I don't even need it because of this bad boy. But I just swipe it onto the cheeks and then blend it out with a brush just quickly, and it's so fast, so easy. It stays all day and makes your skin look so healthy. Even if you have dry skin, guaranteed this is gonna look good on your skin. It's just gonna make your skin look healthy, happy, loved. It's so good. Really random. This is the Use Me shampoo and conditioner, which is a brand that I had never heard of. Comment down below and let me know if you've heard of this brand, because honestly, I did not know it existed until recently. Their whole claim to fame is the fact that they say this shampoo and conditioner is supposed to extend the amount of time that you have in between washes, which is an issue for me because my hair will get oily really fast, and I'm trying to not wash my hair as much, but I have to because it's oily. But then I found these bad boys, and it actually does extend my wash by 3 days. That's a really long time if you ask me, because that's 3 times the amount that I would normally be able to go. This stuff works. It actually does extend the life of your washes without, it doesn't dry out your hair, because I was thinking like, okay, so if it's gonna extend the wash, then it's gonna dry out my hair, but it doesn't. It smells like a shampoo I used when I was a kid, but I like that. Like, it's like a clean smell. It's the Use Me Condition and Shine Shampoo and Shine Set 1 and 2. I stopped using it one time and I went back to my normal Redken, and my hair was so oily the next day, and I was like, are you kidding me? And I went back to this because I was like, point proven, that stuff works. Okay, let's do a couple clothing items. I only have a couple, but this is, oh, I have to get the top. So first thing I want to talk about is Gymshark. I love Gymshark. Specifically the Vital collection. It's a seamless pant, and this is the blue pair. This is seamless. This part cinches your waist in a way that looks so good, and then the butt, it's like impossible. I'm gonna insert a picture of me wearing it right here, but it just looks so good. And then the top, which you see in the picture right here, has support in it that makes your boobs look so good. You see the picture. It is like, you put them on, you're like, do I need to go to the gym? I particularly like the blue pair, but I also have the black pair as well, the whole outfit. So honestly, highly recommend. Okay, this is like really random, but I'm all about the basics. If you want the most basic jacket ever, you need to go to Brandon Melville, because she has this jacket that I bought, and this would be the type of thing that my mom would be like, oh, don't you spend your money on that? But I've worn it every single day since I got it. Like, when I take Billy on his walks, like late at night, everything like that, I just throw this bad boy on, and it is cropped. I'm gonna get up so you can actually see. So it's a cropped jacket. It doesn't come up, or it doesn't come down all the way, so if you're not into cropped things, you might not like it. But to me, it is so soft and just so perfect, and I've literally worn it every single day. When I go to work out, I throw this on with my workout clothes underneath. Every single time I go to take Billy on a walk, I throw this bad boy on. It's light but warm. It's like one of those jackets that, like, when it's warm out, this jacket's not too hot, but when it's cold out, it keeps you warm. Do you know what I mean? I just love it, and I love basic things. The more basic, the more I'm likely to love it, and this is just exactly what I love. So check out the hoodies and sweatshirts from Brandon Melville. It's super soft and just super practical. I love everything about this. Like, I wish I could just like have you feel it. All right, you guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what your favorites have been for the past month. If there's anything I should try, let me know what your favorite workout clothing is, because I really want to try different places. Also, I started a new Instagram account. So if you want to go help me out there, because I only have like 30 followers right now. It's called Everyday McKay. I'll put it right here so you can see it, but I'll also link it down below. Thank you, appreciate it. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.